To backup data on a Nothing Phone 4a Pro, start by opening the system settings. Now go below and you have to open that security and privacy settings and go for system and updates. And over here you can find backup. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Here you can find backup details, so basically everything that will be backup from your phone. And what you can also do here, you can just set up the backup quality. So if you want to get the original quality, stay with this one. But if you want to save some space, go for that second option. Also, we can enable this one to get this backup with mobile data. And when we go for other device data, we can basically check what does it mean. Like for example, it will back up the call history, messages, and other things. Now, if you want to start it, you have to just click on this button, and now the backup start. You have to wait until it will be finished.